Hey guys, today we're gonna be making slime.
We need some glue, some Tide, and some
Little
sprinkles
bowls
and little bowls
and
some
Tide.
and this. Okay, so let's get started. Whee! Oh my God! Look at this bunch of glue.
She started it already.
Yeah, I couldn't wait. But while we're gonna mix it, it's gonna taste disgusting.
It did taste disgusting. I'm gonna go bring some spoons. I totally forgot. And you totally need spoons or
Plastic.
I need to pull out cucharas. She wasn't even here. ¿No tiene plástico, Mike? I'm sorry for that. That way took long.
Don't mind, but
You're gonna use it all. Yeah, I'm not.
cause we're gonna make a big slime. Duh, Alison, open it. Oh, you already opened it.
I'm gonna use that much.
You don't want to be like me, right? I use so much glue.
Okay, yeah, I think that's enough.
That's enough. Now let's pour Tide. Okay.
We need glitter.
Okay, we need glitter. And I'm gonna make it like
Whatever.
with this. Over.
How about like this, Leslie?
Jesus.
Pour it all.
We don't have to use the bottom. Only the top. Oh my God.
Hurry up, Leslie.
I don't want to make a mess like you.
Yeah, look at his raggedy ass. Look at open down.
Shut up.
Ya pon on YouTube.
Yes.
Ma. Ano na YouTube le está poniendo. ¿Qué copió? Ay, no. ¿Por qué están en YouTube? Man.
So this is how it's. Just ignore that guy right there. Ignore that guy right
20
there.
personas lo están a los otros. No, como ahorita 20 subscribers. No.
Sorry we started without you.
And one of our videos we have 140 people saw it.
Y uno de los otros.
Alison, let's open these.
Okay, this is how mine is turning. She's gonna open another glitter. I'm gonna go get mine. Which color are you gonna use, Leslie?
Red.
The fact that I did to you.
Red?
Photo swap.
Leslie, why are you gonna use red? We already used red on the glitter.
Oh, golden?
I'm gonna use
Silver.
silver. Just ignore that guy that was over there.
Frank. No, how is it Frank in Spanish?
What?
Frank.
Prank?
Frank.
Prank?
A prank.
Una broma.
What?
Una broma.
The way how she said it.
Okay, so I'm mixing already.
Look at mine. Alison.
Mine is turning like Christmas slime.
Look at mine.
You already added the Tide.
Yeah.
Leslie, you overactivated.
What is that? Oh,
That you put a lot of Tide.
oh my God, I need this. I need this. I need this. Quick.
I don't want mine to be Christmas slime because it's not even Christmas yet.
Team Lola.
I
So we're
overacted.
gonna mix it. We're gonna mix it.
The third cup.
Look, that's
Wow.
There's no more?
yes, they're over there.
Come here too.
So
So how you gonna do this?
gonna put.
You have to
a
put
little
glue.
Where's the
and-
glue at? Is it my glue?
No. Yeah. Here, that one. Not that
bit of- So
one.
I'm not
That's
gonna
all.
overactivate it like my friend did.
I'm not your friend.
Well, she's my cousin.
Oh, you doing that?
I'm gonna show you, Pito. You have to open it. Bite it.
The hell?
Yeah, you have to bite it.
What the? Take that out.
What the?
I put too much Thai, but why?
Don't put a lot.
Why?
Because I made a mess. Pour me some.
Fíjate que esta Leli,
Huh?
encima, ¿verdad? Yo le digo yo porque traía todos los libros. Por eso digo yo, Alison va a hacer toda esa, y él no me dijo, bueno, usted quiere vaya a comprar lo tuyo. Ya la $10, no, yo vaya a comprar lo tuyo.
Alison, why is mine like this?
That's how it's supposed to be. But if you want, you could add more Thai. Yours is white. Mine is not white. More Thai.
Oh my god, mine is a mess. Right, Quito?
So now what?
Now you have to add like one of these glitters. No, I mean, where's the other one? One of these. Whichever you want.
Yeah. What's that? And the tie?
Yeah, you need to add a little
Hands.
bit, not.
Ew.
Alison!
What
I'm
you want it
sorry.
for?
You're gonna cry.
I'm not crying. You throw in my eye.